Good afternoon, everyone. Today, my topic that I'm going to talk about is about stroke. Um, what is stroke and the common signs of stroke? Okay, a stroke, or what the medical profession call it, a cerebrovascular accident, is a very scary experience. It occurs when the blood supply to the brain is cut off completely, medically known as ischemia. As a result, the brain stops functioning normally, and oftentimes the body's muscles, reflexes, and senses are all affected. But luckily, a stroke can be treated, but then getting immediate emergency medical attention is the key to survival. So, immediate medical emergency medical attention is the key to survival. That is why it's vital to recognize the following signs of a stroke. The warning signs of strokes that I would like to share with you guys. Number one will be loss of balance. The onset of stroke will cause extreme physical turmoil, and victims have trouble walking, lose their balance and coordination completely. And the next one will be flowing. The loss of balance will be weakness. A sudden loss of strength in the muscles of the face, arm, and leg, even if it's just temporary, can signal an ongoing stroke. Many patients complain of numbness or tingling in the left arm or shoulder that comes on suddenly and gradually worsen. Sometimes complete muscle torture can occur where you can't lift an arm. Okay, and the next one would be facial paralysis. Oftentimes, a stroke affects the facial muscles, where one side of the face drops or goes totally numb, causing the face to appear non-symmetrical, and this is the most noticeable symptoms by far. And the next one will be difficult speech. Difficult or slurred speech is another obvious warning signs of stroke. If someone has difficulty speaking, then just be aware it could indicate a stroke. And the next one will be impaired vision. Those affected by a stroke often explain there is a period prior where they have trouble seeing things. This problem might be temporary. Okay, and the next one is lack of understanding. A person suffering a stroke will often have difficulty understanding certain statements and commands in the days leading up to the actual stroke. You might not think anything about the confusion. And the next one will be severe headache. The sudden onset of a severe debilitating headache or migraine that is not normal or usual is common prior to a stroke. In fact, many stroke victims explain a headache that is so painful, so severe that it feels like it's been struck by lightning, as it causes extreme nausea and even potential collapse. That's the impact of the severe headache. Number eight, loss of sensation. In the days leading up to a stroke, it's common for a gradual or even a total loss of vibratory sensation on the skin. Nerves in your brain sends signals to different areas of your body. When you're having stroke, these signals can be interrupted or stop functioning properly. Okay, the next important warning is severe dizziness. When someone is having a stroke, they may have difficulty walking, balancing, or even sitting down properly. The lost balance causes very severe dizziness. Okay, the lost balance can be very severe. And the next one is a lack of reflexes. Common to experience a decrease in or loss of reflexes with a stroke. Example, difficulty in swallowing. Okay. And the next one is confusion. Not surprisingly, people who are having a stroke will become confused. This is likely due to the fact that their brain is not functioning properly. And next is trouble reading. Okay, so I mean there is no coordination from the brain, so there is trouble reading. The next one will be feeling of numbness. This goes hand in hand with the second cause of warning of impending stroke, weakness. Okay, so the next one is hiccups. Similar to heart attack, uh, women and men can experience different symptoms when it comes to stroke, and hiccups is one of them. Okay, and the last one is altered mental status, drowsiness, unresponsiveness, disorientation, confusion, sudden behavioral change, agitation, and hallucination. So, guys, let's just take care of our health and be careful of what we are eating. Do some exercise daily and do a lot of reading. Okay, whatever it is, be it just a simple newspaper to make your mind active. Okay, guys, continue to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, Monica Lewinsky.